Hi, this is Dr. Tina, and today I want to talk to you about snoring. Do you know someone in your life who snores? Then I want you to know that snoring is not a normal occurrence. It is a sign of an obstruction in the airway, that something is blocking the air from passing while you breathe. Now, while snoring might be extremely common, that does not make it normal or healthy. We have different ways of solving snoring from where the cause may come. This could be from referring you to an ENT around nasal obstruction or offering you sleep appliances that open up your airway while you sleep, reducing the amount of snoring. As they say, don't ignore the snore.